Guys, welcome to new video. In this video, I am going to explain day 5 of Advent of Cyber 2 Room. In previous videos, we have solved day 1 up to day 4. So it is a day 5 web exploitation. Someone stole Santa's gift list. So first of all, I will start this machine and there will be one pop-up box to connect to this machine. So I will just close this pop-up box and read the description of this machine. So watch Dark Stars video on solving this task. After last year's attack, Santa and security team have worked hard on reviving Santa's personal portal, hence Santa Forum 2 went live. After the attack, logs have revealed that someone has found Santa's panel on the website and logged into his account. After doing so, they were able to dump the whole gift list database, getting all the 2020 gifts in their hands. An attacker has threatened to publish wishlist.txt containing all the information, but happily for us, he was caught by CBI. CBI means Christmas Bureau of Investigation here. Before that, on machine IP and port number 8000, you will find the copy of the website, and your goal is to replicate the attacker's action by dumping the gift list. Okay, so we are going to perform this attack on machine IP colon 8000 port. So and they also explain that someone found Santa's panel. Okay, Santa's panel means here will be it will be admin panel. So this is a hint. We will need this hint in future things. So let's get started. So this is the theory part. They have explained what is the SQL injection, what is SQL background. SQL means structural query language. Then how does an SQL attack works. You need to have basic understanding about how SQL injection work here. Then how you can bypass login credential using SQL. Then what is blind SQL injection attack. So you can just refer this theory part. Then union SQL attack. Then you can use SQL map tool to dump all databases, tables or columns from those table. Thereafter how you can use SQL map as well as burp suite to exploit these databases. So just go through this theory part. You will get better understanding about this, how you can perform this attack. Thereafter there is challenge. So there will be one firewall, how you can bypass that by hyphen tamper command. So first question is, without using directory brute forcing, what's the Santa secret login panel? So we have to find Santa's secret login panel. So first of all, I will connect to the OpenVPN. So I will just open Terminator. Go to directory where you have downloaded your OpenVPN file. So I have downloaded it in desktop tryhackme. Then to connect to the OpenVPN, you can use command called sudo space OpenVPN space decryptor.ovpn. So here is my file decryptor.ovpn and enter the default password of Kali. So it is a Kali, and we are successfully connected to the OpenVPN. So here they have explained that we can just practice this SQL injection attack on port 3000. So we can just find this port 3000. So first of all, we need to visit IP address colon port 3000 slash i90.php. First of all, I will just try to ping to this IP whether it is live or not. So just use ping and paste our target machine's IP by Ctrl Shift V. So it is live. We are getting detailed request. Let's check port number 3000 is open or not. So for that I am going to use here telnet. So use telnet, paste IP by Ctrl Shift V and enter 3000. And here you can see it is showing escape character, means port 3000 is open. So first of all, I will copy this link. This link is used for resetting the database. So I will just paste that in new tab. Okay, it is not doing anything. So what I will do, I will just remove i90.php from this URL. Okay, so here you can practice login bypass. So if I enter any username here, admin, and password as a admin, you can see what it is taking. It is taking username's value is in single unit comma, and for password it is taking value of admin. Okay, so they have also given us try putting anything single unit comma round bracket or true. So I will just copy this payload, paste it into username as well as password, and try to submit the query. Now below you can just refer this query. What it is doing, it is adding a close bracket in front of anything, and it is not a correct thing. So what I will do, I will remove that extra square round bracket, and here you can see our query is stabilized now. For username it is stabilized, and for password also it is stabilized. So this is how you can just stabilize this query. Now instead of true, you can use 1 or 1 is equal to 1 or 2 is equal to 2, any true query here. So I'm just entering here 1 is equal to 1 and try to submit the query. Okay, so this is also correct. Then for password also I will do same thing. Okay, so our query is running behind. It is a correct thing. Now what I will do, I will try this on live website. So it is on port 8000, so I'll just edit that colon 8000. So this is the Santa's forum, and we need to log into Santa's panel. In theory, we already learned there's someone hacked into Santa panel. So we need to find Santa panel's URL. So just try to find any admin. We have to perform here social engineering. Means we have to guess this. We don't need to brute force this. They also explain this in question that without using directly brute forcing, we have to find the login panel. So I will just try to add some basic login panel URL like /admin. Okay, nothing is there. Then I can use login. Okay, also there is nothing. Then login.php, still nothing. I can also use administrator. Okay, nothing. Then admin panel. Okay, it is using secret login panel. So what I will do, I will just add panel in front of admin. Still nothing. Then add login panel. Still nothing. And they also explain Santa's panel is hacked. So I will just add here Santa panel, and here you can see we successfully found the admin panel of this Santa machine. Now in username, I will just try to bypass this filter by using a command we performed on port 3000. So I will just use here single unit comma or 1 is equal to 1 and enter anything into the password. Click on login, and here you can see we have successfully bypassed this login credential. Our query was here stabilized. That's why we have successfully bypassed this. Now copy Santa panel URL and paste it into first answer, and it is correct. Next question is visit Santa's login page and bypass the login. So click here completed. We have also performed that. Now how many entries are there in the GIP database? Okay, so this is a GIP database. If I am entering here any value, like if I enter here 1, so it will display one entry here, McDonald meals. If I enter 2, it will display something. Okay, it is not displaying something. If I enter here a single unit comma, then if it is throwing an error, means this site is vulnerable for SQL injection. Okay, so if I scroll down below, you can see it is showing SQL error. So I will just try to bypass the by using or 1 is equal to 1 and use hyphen for commenting rest of the code. After that, click on search, and here you can see it displayed all the entries into the database. So I will just calculate all of this. And total these are 22 entries. So what I will do, there are totally 22 entries in GIP database. Click on submit, and our answer is correct. Now what did Paul ask for? So open Santa's admin panel, and here you can see Paul asked for GitHub ownership. So you can just copy this GIP answer and paste it into answer format. Click on submit, and our answer is correct. Now next question is, what is the flag? We need to find flag, and thereafter we need to find admin's password. So we have to perform a SQL injection attack by using Bubsuit and SQL map here. So you can just refer this guide. So first of all, I will start the Bubsuit. So this is my Bubsuit professional. I will just simply double click on this and start this, and I am going to configure proxy on my Firefox browser. So just go to preferences, search for proxy, click on settings in network settings, then choose here manual proxy configuration, configure proxy for 127.0.0.1 and click on OK. So we have successfully configured the proxy. Now start the Bubsuit. Okay, click on next, start Bubsuit. We have already configured the proxy on Firefox, so we just need to turn on the interception on Bubsuit and try to capture the request. So just wait until our Bubsuit gets started. Okay, Bubsuit is started now. Go to proxy. I will turn off the interception first, then turn it on again, and go to Firefox. Enter any value here and click on search, and we have successfully captured the request. Now we need to send this request to a repeater. So simply right click and send it to repeater. Turn off the interception. Go to repeater. We are going to save this entry. So it is a get method on Santa panel. Search. Right click there. Then click on save item. I'm going to save it on desktop with any name like I will enter here SQL attack, then save. We have successfully saved this. Now we need to use SQL map to perform attack on this. So you can simply use command like SQL map -r and specify the directory. So just use here SQL map -r, and we have to provide the file path. So it is one folder back, so I will use here dot dot slash. Else what you can do, you can just use cd dot dot for to go one step back. So here is our SQL attack file. Use SQL map -r, then provide this file name. So it is a SQL attack. Therefore we need to dump our databases as well as tables, so you can use -dump -all. So it will start dumping all databases as well as tables. Okay, it is asking that it is recommended to perform basic union test. So do you want to reduce the number of requests? So I will just click here yes. Okay, it give error like there will be any WAF or any firewall, that's why it is showing us error. So what I will do, I will use here parameter -tamper is equal to space to comment. So I will just copy this, use same command and paste this tamper is equal to space to comment here. Okay, it is also asking for same thing. So I will again click here yes. I want to reduce the number of requests. So just click here yes. Okay, it is also not showing error, and they are recommending it try to increase the value of level. So what I will do, I will use same command, and in the last I will just add hyphen level, and you can just specify any level. I will add here level 5 and hit the enter button. Okay, it is showing that it looks like backend database is SQLite. So do you want to skip the payload for specified thing? So I will just click here yes yes. It is showing that search parameter is vulnerable. Do we want to keep testing the other? So I don't want to keep testing other. I will try it on search parameter. So I will use here n, and here you can see we successfully found the first flag. So this is our flag THM for THM Fox. All I want to Christmas is you. So just copy this, open TryHackMe, and just paste this into answer format. Click on submit. Next question is what is the admin's password? So I will again analyze all tables. So just scroll up, and here you can see it is displaying username as the admin and password is this. So I will just copy this password, open TryHackMe, and paste this into admin password. Click on submit, and we have successfully solved this challenge. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are interested in learning ethical hacking, bug bounty hunting or penetration testing, you can simply enroll into my course. I have given the course link into the description. You can just check it out. Thank you for watching.